नमस्कार दोस्तों, एफओएमसी इकोनॉमिक प्रोजेक्शन आ गया है और फेड ने क्या डॉट प्लॉट निश्चित किया है, इसके बारे में हम आपको पूरी खबर बताते हैं। द यूएस फेडरल रिजर्व अनाउंस ऑन वेडनेसडे दैट इट लेफ्ट द पॉलिसी रेट फेडरल फंड रेट अनचेंज एट द रेंज ऑफ 5.25% से 5.5%। फ्लोइंग द जून पॉलिसी मीटिंग द डिसीजन केम इन लाइन with the market expectation. The revised summary of economic projection, the so-called dot plot published alongside the policy statement, show that 4 of 19 officials saw no rate cut in 2024. 7 projected at 25 basis point BPS reduction, while 8 marked down 50 BPS cut in the policy rate. Key takeaway from Fed policy statement and dot plot. Fed official median view of Fed fund rate at end 2024 5.1%, previous 4.6%. Fed official median view of Fed fund rate at end 2025 4.1%, previous 3.9%. Fed official median view of the Fed fund rate at end 2026 3.1%, previous 3.1%. Fed official median view of Fed fund rate in longer run 2.8%, previous 2.6%. Fed projection implied 25 BPS of rate cut in 2024 from current level, another 100 BPS in 2025. Fed policy makers see and 2024 PC inflation at 2.6% versus 2.4% in March. Projection core C at 2.8% versus 2.6%. Fed policy makers see 2.1% GDP growth in 2024, unemployment rate at 4%, both unchanged from March. Forecast slow 2025 PCE and core PCE inflation at 2.3% versus 2.2% in March. There has been modest further progress toward 2% inflation objective. Fed does not expect it will be appropriate to reduce policy target range until gaining greater confidence inflation is moving sustainably toward 2%. Economy continue to expand at solid pace. Job gain remain strong. Unemployment rate remain low. Inflation has eased over the past year but remain elevated. Risk to achieve policy goal have moved toward better balance. Will continue to reduce holding treasuries and mortgage backed security. Vote in favor of policy was unanimous.